There's one that says you use onions and oil. You be rubbing it, increase onion. It's a lie. It's a lie. Hello, my people. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are having a wonderful week or weekend. Any part of the world you're watching from. So welcome back to my channel. This is Josephine Vlogs. Today I want to talk about my review on using okra and oil as for butt enlargement, bum enlargement. Guess what? There's nothing I've not tried. Like, there was a time my bum was kind of, like my bum was flat though. It's just that, if you're in school, this would I say fat, that if you don't have big butts, they'll say that you're not fine and all that. So one certain time, I think I don't know, is it that I had somebody dropping this girl has flatness and all that. So I was like, let me go and check how I can get a big butt. So I came on YouTube. I saw many videos on how to get this in, but it's just what I saw was using okra and oil. I think I saw it in many videos, many people's channel. So I watched it. Went to market, bought okra, bought oil, did the do, like I had to slice the okra, then add the oil, and they said leave it for 3 days. I don't want to like put the channels where I found those things because it's not right. So I just said let me just try it and then talk about it, because someone out there might still be in the position and they want to check the something out. So after doing it for 3 days, I kept it for 3 days. After using it, said you'll see results within 1 week, 2 weeks to a month. You start seeing your butt getting big. You understand? Big nash. Guess what? I tried it like a month, 1 month, and I usually do it both morning and night, because I think that was when I finished my final exams in uni. So I was trying to understand. I used to rub, I don't need to go anywhere. I'll just be rubbing the thing in my bum, rub it very well after bathing, morning, night. After rubbing it, I'll not use that yash to sit down. I'll have to lie down flat on the bed with my phone on the bed. That's how I stayed. Like, I did this thing for a month. Even my friend came around. I was like, "What is this thing you are doing?" I was like, "Please check, is my yash getting big?" She not told me. I said, okay, don't mind that. I read that I saw this video one that I like think that is working, or that can get big yash. She not start following me to rub it too. I even like guess that maybe even when she went home back to her house, because she came to my own house, when she went back to her own hostel, she was doing it. My brothers, my sisters. What am I not telling you people? After doing it for a month, and I didn't see any external results, any internal results, any results anywhere. I went and carried it one day. I think my mom saw it one day. Was like, "What is this?" Like, she told me, "No, you're just doing juju." I don't know. I started explaining myself. It's butt enlargement. She told me that there's nothing like that. That your butt is your butt, so she can't throw this in away. That's how I threw that in away. It did not work. My butt is my butt. Like, nothing changed. And nobody has flash nash. If you have flash nash, you gotta do surgery. You gotta do surgery. It doesn't like you use okra, use oil. They are the ones that used to say you use granite. You use granite and increase your nash. There's one that say you use onions and oil. You be rubbing it, increase your nash. It's a lie. It's a lie. Go and do surgery if you want nyashing, if you want to have big nyash, and not just know that it has adverse effects, very big adverse effects. Your nyash will not be round. I don't know what to do that. How do you even use to maintain it? It's painful. For the ones that I've seen, I used to see all those people that used to do all this botch. I used to watch it on their TV then. It's painful. It's not worth the risks and all that. You just have nyash. Thank God you have nyash. If you don't, go and use foam. If you want, after wearing pants, use foam and push there. Then wear your, nobody will know. There was a time I did foam tights, because I can sew. So I used foam. I went and bought foam, pieced it, and then I checked, it was like something like 2 inches. I went and used it to do, I put it in my tight, both sides. I patched it. Guess what? That time, after wearing it, the thing will come and be as if I have nyash. But one day, my brother saw me. I was like, "What is this even?" And I said, "Yeah, it's tight now." He told me, "Oh, all these fake lives. So you will be carrying this and be going, and people will think you have nyash. You don't can keep that thing." That was when I went home the other day. I saw that tight. I was like, "Geez, so this was so still." That is vanity. Man, just love yourself. If you want to maybe have natural, will I say, butt increase, just do exercise. I think the exercises, it's not like those exercises is going to make you have big butt, but it's going to like give you shape, that even the things we wear, like it will be as if you have bum bum. And if you check online, you see hip exercises. Then after doing that one, I tried hip exercises, and to tell you, I just had the shape. It's not really that it brings out your bum bum and all that. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, you can give it a thumbs up, and then you like it, and then you subscribe, and then you share. So thank you for watching. Till next time, I'll see you. I love you all. Bye bye.